How to convert your PowerPoint presentation into a PDF file. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily convert a PPT presentation into a PDF file. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to convert your PowerPoint presentation into PDF, first of all open your Google and here search for I love PDF and click on this first website and just scroll down. And here you can see PowerPoint to PDF. Click on it and click on select PowerPoint files and click on media picker, and from here you have to select your PowerPoint file. For example, I want to select this file and click on convert to PDF, and our PowerPoint document is converted into PDF. I will have to download it, so click on download PDF and click on download and click on continue, and here you can see I have successfully changed my PowerPoint presentation into PDFs. So guys, in this way you can convert your PPT file to PDF file very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.